If you're a homeowner in Manassas, Virginia, considering ways to enhance your home's appearance, comfort, and energy efficiency, one of the best investments you can make is window replacement. Windows are more than just a functional element of your home. They play a crucial role in its aesthetic, energy performance, and overall value. Here are some of the top reasons why investing in window replacement in Manassas is a smart decision for any homeowner. Improved energy efficiency. One of the most significant benefits of replacing old, worn-out windows is the improvement in energy efficiency. Over time, windows can become drafty or lose their insulating properties, leading to higher heating and cooling costs. In Manassas, where summers can be hot and winters chilly, energy-efficient windows are a must. Modern windows are designed with advanced insulation technologies, such as double or triple glazing and low emissivity, coatings. These features help to regulate your home's temperature by reducing heat transfer, keeping the cold out in winter and the heat out in summer. By investing in window replacement, you can significantly lower your energy bills while contributing to a more sustainable environment. Enhanced curb appeal. The first impression your home makes is essential, and windows are one of the key features that influence your home's curb appeal. Old, cracked, or faded windows can detract from the overall look of your home, making it appear neglected. Replacing your windows with newer, more stylish models can give your home a fresh, modern appearance that boosts its curb appeal and makes it stand out in your neighborhood. With a variety of window styles available, from sleek, contemporary designs to more classic, traditional options, you can choose windows that complement the architecture of your home and your personal style. This improvement not only enhances your home's visual appeal but can also increase its market value if you decide to sell. Increased home value. Whether you're planning to stay in your home for years or considering putting it on the market, window replacement can offer a significant return on investment. Energy efficient, attractive windows are a major selling point for potential buyers. Many buyers in Manassas are looking for homes that will help them save on utilities and require little maintenance. New windows can make your home more attractive to buyers, and many real estate professionals agree that window replacement is one of the home improvement projects that offers the highest ROI. In fact, homeowners who replace their windows can recoup up to 70% of their investment when selling their home. Improved comfort and indoor air quality. Old windows can create uneven temperatures throughout your home, leaving some rooms too cold in the winter and others too hot in the summer. New windows, with their superior insulation and airtight seals, help to maintain a consistent indoor temperature. This means you'll experience more comfort in every room of your home year-round. Additionally, modern windows can help improve your home's air quality by reducing the infiltration of outside pollutants. They help keep dust, pollen, and allergens from entering your home, leading to a healthier living environment. For anyone with allergies or respiratory issues, this is a great benefit. Enhanced security and safety. Your home's windows are one of the most vulnerable entry points for burglars. However, Modern windows come with advanced locking mechanisms and impact-resistant glass that can enhance the security of your home. When you invest in window replacement, you can choose windows that feature stronger, more durable materials that make it harder for intruders to break in. In addition to security, new windows are often designed with safety features such as better ventilation, child-proof locks, and tempered glass that reduces the risk of injury in case of an accident. This added layer of safety gives peace of mind to homeowners, especially those with young children or elderly family members. Reduced maintenance costs. Old windows often require regular maintenance, from repainting to fixing broken seals or replacing damaged panes. These repairs can be time-consuming and costly. New windows are designed to be low maintenance, with materials such as vinyl, fiberglass, or aluminum that don't need to be painted or sealed. Additionally, they are resistant to rot, mold, and insect damage, which can further reduce your ongoing maintenance costs. With modern window technology, you'll spend less time and money maintaining your windows and more time enjoying your home. Conclusion: investing in window replacement in Manassas offers a wealth of benefits, from energy efficiency and increased curb appeal to improved comfort, security, and reduced maintenance costs. Whether you're aiming to save on energy bills, enhance your home's appearance, or increase its resale value, new windows are a wise investment that pays off in both the short and long term. If you're considering window replacement, consult with a professional to explore the best options for your home and take the first step toward making your home more efficient, attractive, and comfortable.